Hi, I'm Izad, I'm from Iran, and I'm a maths and engineering student. I'm currently doing an internship program with Intern leaders in a multinational engineering firm which focus on infrastructure preservation, maintenance, and operations. A typical workday for me means I get up at around 8. Since there's no commute, there's really no need to get up very early. As it is a remote internship, I have to sign in online. After which, I check my task list, which is set to me by my manager. It is all quite clear. I have deadlines and call setups so I can ask any questions. Once a week, we have a team meeting where we discuss the company's goals and what we can do to reach them. I feel like I have responsibility, which is really good for me. Also, it is quite different seeing how engineering projects work in real life compared to what I've been studying in the classroom. At the start, my tasks were pretty basic, but now I have more responsibility. I actually gave a Zoom presentation yesterday, going over the results of the project I've been working on, which is just something I could not imagine doing at the start of the internship. And another thing I've learned is that it is important and okay to ask questions within a professional setting. I actually didn't know that remote internships were becoming so popular. I was looking into professional development courses as I'd been stuck inside due to the COVID-19 pandemic. A friend of mine sent me a link to Intern leaders, and I saw that they offered both workshops and internships, so I decided to contact them to find out more information. My first call with them was really helpful. They explained to me how they could help and the kind of support that they offer. They also spoke to me about the different engineering companies that they partner with. At the time, I still found it hard to imagine interning remotely, but I'm really glad that I did give it a go. I am still interested in doing a normal internship. However, learning to work remotely and having proof that you're able to do so on your CV is also really good. I'm really glad that I decided to do this and that intern leaders were able to get me on the program so quickly. I definitely learned a lot more than I thought I would learn, and I've made some new friends on the program. Overall, I think that remote internships and remote working in general are becoming more and more common, and I'm really happy to have gained some experience in it.